It's not funny.
You know, actually like he wasn't scared of it, probably wouldn't even fuck with you anymore. But now that you done
If I
showed
pet
her,
the bird, will you leave me alone?
Yeah, pet it.
no, she don't want being petted. No, let her go out like that. Just reach down, put your finger down, and take a step up. Don't pet her.
Pet her.
Right, me if I said it.
No.
Now you running away. You so hot shit now you're on the fucking cage.
Okay. I told you you had to count three to back in the chair.
Damn, you break
It's not break the chair. It was broken before. So you can either sit in the chair and deal with her on the table, or I'm going to come closer to you.
Uh-oh.
He's sitting right there, so I don't really think that I'm standing right here, and I don't think you're going to go through either one. Because you're not 10 feet tall and bulletproof. I can't be.
Yeah,
What,
why
why?
scared of the
Really?
birds?
Then how come that wall ain't got a new doorway?
Please put the bird up.
Ooh. Ooh.
What?
Yep, too late.
She don't want to go up.
She killed the bird. And it's funny the second time around.
Chase a shit.
Oh god, this is deja vu.
I love how I say shit, but she never hears
Put her on
what I
her
say.
shoulder.
Shows how much she pays attention.
You should put her on her shoulder.
Just like she has on Teresa's hand. Yeah, Jessica goes on. What's funny is, TJ fucked with Jessica one night. She was asleep. He put the damn book on the armrest of the couch. She stood right here on the armrest, right over Jessica's head for 40 minutes before Jessica woke up and realized she was there.
Really?
And she just froze. She just went, ah!
She's just a bird, you guys.
Jessica's been bit, so
Yeah.
there's a difference.
Oh.
So am I.
Not by
Wanna get that
Sunday.
again?
Didn't sit down in the
Is it
corner.
hard?
No, I don't.
Why?
She did like that.
Because I can.
She bit me and threw blood on my shoulder right here. You know you're being